so much for watching. I'm James, and I'm on my way to go see my 2014 Maserati Ghibli SQ4. Eric sent me a picture. Here's the picture here. The car is appears to have been painted, and I'm going to go see what it actually looks like in person. So that's where we're on our way to right now. We're on our way to Fix Auto, Rocklin, California. If you're in the Sacramento area or greater Sacramento area, or even in the Bay Area, or north of us, south of us, east of us, within an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and you have had an accident and you are in need of some repair, some body repair, I highly recommend Fix Auto, Rocklin, California. Eric and his crew. Once they complete the work on my Maserati Ghibli, you'll see the quality of work that comes out of his shop. It took so long because of parts. It took 2 weeks for the bumper cover to arrive. So the bumper cover arrived Monday last week, and once the bumper cover arrived, the car went into the shop right away and they started working on it, and that was update number 2. If you haven't seen that video will be up here. Bumper cover arrived last Monday. They started working on it Monday afternoon, and Tuesday, election day, I went over to look at it, and that's when I recorded the second update video. I will say that I really miss my car, miss my Maserati. Currently I'm driving this rental, which is a 2024 Genesis GV80 or GV80, yeah, GV80. Badging. It's got a lot of tech on it. I don't like the tech, doesn't really do it for me. We're almost there. So I'll go ahead and cut this out and let the camera cool off. We'll be right back. Okay, here we are. We're at Fix Auto, Rocklin. Let me show you the car first. Here's the car behind me. Take a look at the trunk. The trunk, wow, look at that. I'm gonna go over here. I get the headlight on it, which is perfect, so I can see if there's any defect. I can't see any defect at all. There was a little ding right here. I took care of that. Looks good. Front looks excellent. I think they did a great job on it. Underneath here. Yeah. Looking good. Looking good. I'm looking at it along with you guys. Yeah, they did a good job straightening that out. They did an excellent job straightening that out. That's perfect. Excellent job. Yeah. And here's the bumper over here. The new bumper. This is the diffuser right here. This part was painted once already. And these parts are also probably being baked somewhere. But here's the bumper. Bumper looks nice. Nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. Yeah. Let's go look at the inside of it. Beautiful. Now on the old bumper, I think there was a line here along here where the trunk lid would hit the bumper itself or hit the paint. That's doesn't exist anymore. Brand new bumper.
Motion detected at the front door.
Looks great. Looks great. Well, they say that realistically I'll probably pick up my car on Tuesday. I told them don't rush it because they've got to, the way it is now, what they have to do is they've got to put everything back on. There's the bumper over there. They got to put everything back on. They've got to put my carbon fiber wing back on, and then they have to deburr the paint. They haven't done anything. It's just freshly painted. So they've got to deburr and buff it, and then they got to detail it and get it ready. So they're saying more like realistically Tuesday afternoon I'll be able to get the car back. So until then, thanks for watching. We'll see ya. Bye.